How to get more than 10 photos on Instagram posts. Now previously what used to happen was that whenever you wanted to upload a carousel post on Instagram, the maximum limit was 10 posts. So if you would go to your profile and let's say there was any of the carousel posts, you wouldn't be able to select more than 10 photos. However, fortunately though, Instagram has removed these limitations. So in order to fix this, you just have to ensure that you are on your respective app stores and make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram. So just make sure you have updated it. If you're on Android, go to your Play Store, and if you see an update button there, it means it requires an update. Make sure you're using the latest version, and from 10 photos or videos, Instagram will now allow us to select up to 20 photos or videos. To confirm this, I'll just tap on the plus icon from the bottom, tap on the select multiple option, and then just select up to 20 photos or videos that you might want to add in this case. So here you can see I've uploaded 10. I've selected 10 photos, but I can still keep on selecting more right here. So I can go ahead and select more of these photos, as you'll be able to see, up to 20. So currently 20 is the limitation, but you can see I've selected 20. Now I can tap the next option and I can confirm the changes to post all of these photos to my Instagram. Just make sure that you are updated to the latest version on Instagram. So I hope this video pretty much helped you clarify the question you might have. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.